Bring your body come to me. Because we need to come live on my fan page more often. And then I don't know. When we do, come live. I don't know. Me and Vietnam them war. And then war me back. You know I say we are gonna have it out serious and joy over here on Facebook. Me don't know, me not give up on the over here because I just do a yes, man. Me things start. Yeah. Sure over here so me things start and that's why me don't leave over here. Long time. Me not dash when nobody. I only dash when me. Yesterday me come over here, Jesus Christ. After me come over here with good topic, nobody don't want to share, don't love me over here no more. And who can take over Facebook? Who can point me to the blood clot direction of the drunk? I beg you. But we come for reason now because just because Christmas is 13 blood clot days away, me can laugh for the girl them now. For all of the girl them want to take blood clot people, man. All of the girl them want to take people, man, front and blood clot center, right blood clot now, because Christmas 13 days away. 13 fucking days away. Putting in there, me a blood clot ball, it told me the whole of blood clot around here. What go on for Christmas? Oh, your whole blood clot day for Christmas, because remember, you know, people, man, you are different for the whole blood clot here. Oh, the eggnog look. Oh, the blood clot eggnog settings look. Don't come with your blood clot Western Union paper. Them I don't want to hear about the $200. More I hear about the cuddling and the matching pajamas and the blood clot in a bed with the eggnog drinking. Hello? Who no look a blood clot grand market pussy girl who no come about for blood clot Christmas, yeah, I know. Because the whole of the different people, man, and them blood clot pocket and then this and them blood clot that, and guess what? Christmas 13 days away, I'm not seeing no blood clot body ball out for the blood clot eggnog and the matching pajamas. Where is the matching pajamas and the blood clot eggnog? I want to know because listen, look, fuck settle down. Settle the fuck down. Because everybody did a ball out all here. Say yes, people body do right there. When Grand Market night come, make a reason about it. Eh? Grand Market, you know? Yeah. Every wife say, yeah, man. Baby, you can go out with your friends because you know tomorrow is family day. Oh, you mean if me glad? Yeah, man, I'm going to link the one blood clot Sandra. Youth, you understand? Me come over there, so mama jam up your blood clot meat and girl want $200 and sing you, wish you a blood clot Merry Christmas and Jingle Bell Santa Ball swell from 1,000,000 miles away in your blood clot ears hole. When blood clot 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning come and me get up and me pack up my blood clot sitting them. I'm gone home to feed my wife for Christmas there. I'm start blood clot baking a oven already. And don't forget the blood clot Christmas fruit cake there. Big up your blood clot self, babes. They did wonderful. Blood clot oxtail upon the bumbo clot store. And the goat well blood clot curry down and me tell you say 2 rice and peas and white rice. Bumbo clot, all kind of vegetable, pussy clot, potato salad. When the blood clot you feel like me go after that? Nigga right is chippy. Nigga blood clot right is chippy. How me fi get up and left from there so? When you see me back now good as? When you feel like you see me back? Because when time me wake up, you know, from Boxing Day morning, you know. When me wake Boxing Day morning and my wife give me chocolate tea with the blood clot, coronation bread and hockey and saltfish with the roast breadfruit. You understand me? Or you get the hockey with the corn pork in there. I wanna do that, I wanna drink, I wanna name belch and poop. Then your blood clot eat like a lunch. Then your wife will say, baby, I'm gonna tidy up and warm up the leftovers so we can have dinner. So we can get a free blood clot hour. Go road, link blood clot you. Tell you say boy blood clot baby all day. Me stress out yesterday. Me not see is that me nearly dead. Me not have no food. So yeah, the girl can't cook nothing, give me right. Just come on, you suck off mode for blood clot boxing there. You see me I did? You in my blood clot. Me a fuck out the whole of your blood clot mouth feed boxing the hour there. Who know what me a spending in your throat? Just a fuck you out, say my friend. You see me? Then me I go tell her, say, yo, say you know, say my granny, fly in. After you get pick up from the blood clot airport, the mama me I tell her, be a stressy pussy them a put for me. All across your family them like a real sitting. Just so you know, say you have to go and go eat leftovers and drink more eggnog with your blood clot wife. With your pussy clot wife, so uno girl. We have give up this blood clot commission fuck. How it go? A commission they get fuck on them. Them get fuck on commission. Oh now una fuck on commission 13 days to come. Who do make boys start tear up me fucking box them yet? Someone don't know what it feel like for your boy. Sit down, don't even know how to tape up on blood. I never tape up a box till last night. I take 1 hour out of my blood clot time and a rap Camille give them and boy one of them take 5 try because every time me rap it and then if you catch on it pop and then fuck that you have to take on fuck it. Yeah, you ever make a boy struggle with gift yet, girl? Don't come with your blood clot Western Union receipt them. Me a talk about the matching pyjama and the blood clot eggnog. Cuddle up and watch blood clot TV series or Home Alone. What is happening? What on? Who don't want to listen to the Mariah Carey Christmas album together and blood clot feel don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents or the Christmas tree. I just need it for my own. Oh no, I want to listen to them now. Listen and drink some blood clot eggnog. Make my wish come true. Ooh, all I want for Christmas. Eh? Uno bombo clad catch up bob, and blase, pussy wall idiot, you know. See time to be festive, yeah. Every day on the clear this on a festive. When I take people man on a festive. Who do a blood clot festive because we not drink no blood clot eggnog this Christmas. No blood clot eggnog no now not drink but you not come about. Me get $200, me get $300, fuck your 2 bills. Fuck the 2 bills goods. I want to your goods. Fuck it. What Christmas day? Yeah, your friend there, link up. So you know you're lonely, you know. So yeah, you like a careless thinking head friend them, the whole out in I want to weave them on a blood clot lace glue think and bumbo clot frozy. But yeah, fuck them boy yeah. We don't want none of them. That's why girl me don't want a man for Christmas come stress me out. They say, true you can't cook. True you cannot cook, dirty girl. Thinking that girl, I true you can't cook. You don't want a man for Christmas because you don't know how to steam like a rice. You don't know if you curry like a goat. You don't know if you bake a cake. You don't know if you cater to a man for Christmas. So you're going to take him from commission. Eh? No want the blood clot ackee with the blood clot corn pork, roast breadfruit and sitting. Eh? What? Yeah. People man nice and comfortable this year. And the whole blood clot here me here and with it. People man. 13 days away will show you what you mean to him. 13 days. It's the time to be jolly. Nothing you not get more than somebody are coming at your throat the 24th. You go and go look. What the fuck you mean to him? Pan Christmas morning here. I beg you please. See that? Eh? See that? I said this Christmas morning when you fucking wake up. You don't even have a fucking Christmas tree if you look forward for nothing from Uncle Paul. You're in one now fuck Peter, Paul, Luke and John to pussy clot. When blood clot Christmas come to pussy clot, not one of them boy don't care find me Christmas. Why you can't find Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John for Christmas? Because Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John is not here for you, man, them there. Them down here, man. Leave people things alone because you see, right now, you're going to be embarrassed in 13 days. Very fucking lonely and petrified. No, I was afraid. No, I'm petrified. No, you by my side. No. I saw now go sing for Christmas. No, sha-la-la-la-la for this Christmas. Do a now go lonely. I'm Mrs. Lonely. I ain't got nobody. No cuddling, no head nag, no warming up with no foot bottom. None of that now go on, bro, God. Cause people, man, if you all here, this is the time to be festive. This is the time to be festive. Sha-la-la-la, la-la-la-la. Well, I'm not going to turn acorn for Christmas. Lonely. What a pussy clot, you know. No, look forward to in the 13 days. Nothing. No matching pajamas. Then when I see a couple of on Facebook, like me and come in, dress up in our pajamas, them together, and I drink fucking Milo or cocoa with the marshmallow them on the top. Then here on relationship goals. You could have get that too, but the people man you want. Look at God. Eh? You could have get marshmallow on top with matching pajama and a rub blood clot head. But the people man you want guts. Feel me? Yeah, get it? You never want Christmas shopping with somebody. A people man you know want. People man did go Christmas shopping with him wife, you know, like come here go Christmas shopping. You understand me? That buy a baby gift them and we wrap them and we write Merry Christmas baby. She don't know what in them she pass them to from. She well want to know what kind of gift them be. But it's not Christmas yet, sweetheart. No, that's for blood clot look forward to. You understand? Leave people man alone. Because people man are share money for this Christmas. No, sleep with people man for this Christmas. People man that them blood clot yard. Wrap up with them blood clot wife and drink eggnog in a matching pajama. Matching fucking pajama for Christmas. This one, not next one. This Christmas will be a merry little Christmas. None of the not get to get festivity just because people man our phone a thing there. That's it. No blood clot get. Nobody man now struggle with no wrapping paper with no gift food right now. But he must struggle with it for his wife though. Put it down in there. Hide it for her. Make sure go find it. Play games with her for Christmas. Like what me I go do with my wife. She have to find it in our Airbnb because we're not going to home for Christmas. When me hide it in the Airbnb, me and her are going to say, baby, why you go find your Christmas present? Because once you find it, it's going to work the blood clot. You see, pray? Because me spend good time to try to wrap that blood clot. You see me? Because me never wrap it yet. Me never wrap one gift yet. Much less two. You see, pray? Me by myself. You see, Brie? What you mean? No, not get that. Because you don't mean shit more than a broke to them, man. Yeah. All you need is a broke. A fucking broke. When the man fuck out in a blood clot, got and fuck. I love you. And you that, your grandma kicked your catches done. Because this man need him eggnog and this man need the marshmallow on the top with the bumbo clot. You see, pray, what God does? Don't play with me. Merry little Christmas. Eh? Who don't want to get up Christmas morning, round the tree, Christmas carol play, ham, a roast, blood clot. You smell the fucking aroma in our kitchen. What if you walk around in a lingerie? Well, come you get a lingerie this Christmas, because we're going to a family house. But you're in a lingerie in a blood clot room though. The body jar they just print out in a mesh there. Because I like the mesh drawers there, you know. What you call them one there? Eh? The mesh drawers them. Them nice you fuck. Well, yeah. Fuck that. We don't talk about Camille drawers right now. We talk about uno dirty girl. What uno not get that for Christmas, yeah? You see me I deal with? Because people man are go fuck uno out for grand market, then go home to your ham and hockey and saltfish, my friend. You see, Brie? So what is the moral of the story? Leave people, man. You don't know I'm matching pajama. I'm matching socks. A marshmallow. Me and Camila have that. And babes all rub for me like a fat belly because I get very fat, you know. Yeah, and then babes be like, oh, he's so cute. Yeah. You don't wish that for yourself. You must tell that people, man, that's in your whole a fuck you out, sir. Eh? You must want somebody in your blood clot better cuddle with you and not in your hole for grand market. When are you going to stop being a fucking pushover? All you want to be is just a fuck? You know what I'm matching for socks? I'm matching pajama with all the little matching hat, them a little hair, muff and shit. All of that can go on for you know, if it be on TV alone. But no. What you want to do? I take people, man. And see 13 days from now, you're fucking lonely with the rest of your kill stink cold friend them. The one out the one douche dog. You see, bro? The one out no group up, boy. Who not go out for Christmas night. All of the girls them can go out Christmas night at you no man. And people man do not take. And people man is off limits right now. Look into yourself, dog. At Christmas, do something for yourself. Look into yourself, goody. Eh? Eh? My God. Lord God. You don't go out and get a man for yourself. If you put on the matching pajama, them and got the hot cocoa with the marshmallow. Huh? What? My God. When you make everything look pussy clad hard, bro, God. Merry little Christmas. Fish. Oh! One thing me certain. All of the girls want to take people, man, for this Christmas. Watch them post them. Watch the post them for Christmas. If you think you see present from Bay or Bay giving them a present. No. Them now have that. Go see if them are cuddling in a bed with Bay. See if them are send picture with them and Bay and a matching socks. We're so cold. Ooh. Bay, cuddle up. No boot up for Christmas. Do all of them and then little careless blood clot STD friend them gather up in a circle about them a hot girl and a spend blood clot like a chum change and say they have money. Yes, sir. No. How good sitting there, dog? Good sitting. How good shit me at that right now? Get a man for yourself for Christmas. You thumb them in a them back, Rasta. You know, see 13 days I come from now. When you mama in a bed cuddle up with fear man and drink eggnog and I watch Christmas movie. But Kevin, when we are watch Kevin, I get a fuck up the boy them for home alone. Them now do that. Cause we booed up in a bed with the man where they say them a take. The man who the son a take for the whole year. Booed up in a bed with the woman we're supposed to booed up with. Look at life. Life stinky. Life stink bad. Look how life I deal with your course. No matter how ugly he is, you can get a man for yourself. No matter how ugly he is, you have somebody for you. Every who have their sticker bush. But the whole of you like to broke people foot in a life. But you don't like to take shortcut. Deal with people, man. Suck people, man, hood. People, man, go on look at chum change, you go cabbage. You say you make it in a life. You have everything. Eh? You cuddle with your son, well, at least you have that. You see, pray? Because you can't put your trust in a man, you know, girl. Because, you see, pray? Yeah. Which one I inside chick they can tell me, say, their man, when they might take, I can spend Christmas with them and not their wife. Issue are gone. Eh? What you mean your son have nowhere to go? Yes, him soon left you gone. What time him get blood clot, girl fi fuck out for Christmas. Anytime you see him reach the age and get girl fi fuck out for Christmas, you not see back your son for Christmas. Must see what time him a book trip for you and him and your wife for Christmas and so, yeah. But them things are gonna change with time them man they get big and start fuck pussy, sir. Yeah. Somebody don't see their son long time. You see, bro? They need to do better and tap it till at Christmas in a 13 days. And Nuff of you don't even glad for that. Some of you just glad for Grand Market night. Because Christmas, you know so you don't go over on your grandmother yard gun yam. Because you don't have nobody sentimental to share that with. Even if I did somebody if you go share like a blood clot curry chicken back and white rice for Christmas there, you would have feel good. You don't have matching pyjama, but you can get some matching marina and matching blood clot rare and tear and do it. But you know want to take people, man. I know for Christmas you're gonna be lonely. I'm Mr. Lonely. I ain't got nobody for my own. Yeah, when you could have sing better. Good song. Look at life. Look how the treacherous. Look how the wicked to the dirty self. Eh? Look how the bumper clock wicked to the dirty self. What want for Christmas for the girl want to take people, man? How you look? Guy look dark, you know. He look well dark. Just show me light what you are seeing there. You will take people, man. Oh, the 13 days right now look for you. Eh? In a 13 days from now, how your thing look? 13 days from now, girl, how your blood clotting look? Who you waking up with? You waking up with Tyrone or Jerome? Or you wake up with your pillar? Huh? How you look for Christmas here right now? We are slap in our face. 13 days from now, how the thing look, how it start? Oh, it look for Christmas here, you know. Oh, you drinking this blood clot cocoa with? Oh, you drink this hot cocoa with the marshmallow them on the top? Oh, you roasting the ham with? Oh, you having this one heap of mashed potato with? What? Make I tell you this flavor chick me there and talk to them. Because the girl them want to do with people things. Me stop calling people man and people girl, people things. The people them want to do with people things. How the blood clot Christmas look. It look dark for no man. Do you know I go on? It look dark. Very fucking dark. Eh? Because you never just know the people man they home with them blood clad wife. And they am a ham. And what you do? What you do? Sit down with your bag of kill is thinking that friend them. When you thinking lace glue all about the place. Frozen like a dog. Eh? No. You don't have nothing to look forward to for Christmas. Well, last year I couldn't blood clot talk, so you know. I'm glad you bring up that. And that's me I reached. Even though I wasn't taking anybody man or anybody girl, I never have a Christmas with any human being other than my family them. You see, pray? Get gifts from my mother. You see, pray? We don't know nothing about, you see? We don't know what it is to have a Christmas with love other than family love till right, you know. Because as I tell you, I be a kebe nasty, make girl me used to deal with, you know. And the first me deal with a woman. You see, pray? I am with a woman now. You see? We make me breakfast in bed and them little thing there. Spoil pretty have two belly now. You see, pray? No, when you reach to this time when you see, say, look under my tree. See that? All of them present there. And if me come in, do I have baby them. That's a well little bit. Because when I tell them I come in, the Guardians of the Galaxy. What do you know what that mean, right? That the Asia present them. One of them that for Asia. She have her hoverboard and some more shit. You don't pick the regular shit. me wrap babes present. Me feel good. Hide off and present them. You get it, pray? The feeling all. Yes, babe. Is that hot cocoa? Jesus Christ. With the marshmallow. I bet you wish you was. I bet I wish I did murder and not take people money, girl. It's my wife with VR cocoa over there, sir. Huh? My God, what it is going to take for you guys to realize. Beers, bring one of them sweet roll they come give me, please. Yes. Look there. Rolls are come for Christmas. You see, that's why I'm so fat, sir. One night tree. No, everything one night tree have to be baby. That's for Asia. Just basically call it me a Camille like a daughter. Basically, me a Camille like a daughter. We are presenting everything under that tree that for that little girl. I wish me that she with me. He Camille? Be honest. This blood clot like a fucking jit. Yeah, win. Hmm? Brother, look here. Oh, baby, this tastes so good. You couldn't get this for yourself, but a people man on the one. I stop thinking how the people treat them man so and man treat them girls so. Stop thinking you're going to get it because you're not getting it. God no. Get out of your dream world. I'm a Christmas shirt. This is my Christmas shirt, see? This is my Christmas shirt. Hey, would you like a share? Because I want them to understand. See, my wife is a gem. Right, you know? Sweet rolls. Oh my God. See my wife there with fear, sweet rolls and blood clot. Rah! Rah! I'm acting so fat. I'm fat. People man don't know what. Hey, I want him to tell you to come here. You never get a woman treat me like how you treat me, you know? If you ever think you can left me, see? Hey, shut up! Shut the fuck up right now, Camille. On a level. You think after you gotta make all of my dreams that come true? Hey, girl, I'm supposed to be in the rose. You gotta make the whole of my dreams them come true and them think, if you ever think you can left me, God. Hey, come here. Nobody couldn't get you for the rest of your life. Believe that. Eh? Me let go all termites in the house. Me know say you're afraid of roach and they see that big roach me let go in the house. Make you run out of that. Nobody can, I mean, I get no divorce neither. Suck yourself. I mean, if you ever hear of you, try go. If you ever hear.
What the fuck did I
if me ever hear, I will fuck your eye them up, dog. You see? Eh? Me tell you, if you ever try and left me, I will pull your glasses off and run, dog. Believe that. Worst me no have your contacts them. Yeah, dog. Yeah. Me nah. Ooh, you gotta make all of my dreams come true. Blood clot cocoa and them matching pajama and them thing that.
I reach into this.
Every bumbo clot time of my life, girl, make me talk. Because me a look for this the whole of my life, me. Matching pajamas and eggnog. Now me have eggnog in my fridge. Now me have matching pajama. And now me have Christmas tree full of presents. Don't ever try to take this up. I will fuck up your eye.
Just easier, so.
Me a company your blood clot back now because I wrong answered that. How come you rich, daddy?
Exactly.
She cast this.
I should have never brought you the fucking hot cocoa.
Yeah, because all of my dreams are come true. Now, you see what I feel? You never feel it's a warmness yet. Because the whole out, I take people man and I take people girl. See it? No, you feel like somebody. No, see that? My wife do all my foot them dog. Because for what day, you know, daddy, me tell them me have a whole heap of corn and sitting there for my foot, because be a foot outside and them thing there. And my wife a soak them off, daddy. My wife soak them off and I crub them off, dog. Whole heap left, dog, because you can see some man like motor, you know, bro, God. Yeah, dog. No matter how much slippers my wife buy for me more while you look for me out this like a real downtown dirty boy, dog. Be a foot, bro, God. Out the door, it not hurt me no nothing, dog. Foot them dirty, you see, pray. And my wife for the first woman me see soak off my foot them. And you see me I deal with. I want a couple hours well them soak them for. You see me? Be careless. When you look beers and say, yo, she have to soak them 2 or 3 more times for a week because whole heap of fuckers still there on them because you have 4 big black spots, then tough you fuck. Them the one are tough to this are tough to them I look like a corner and I foot bottom there. See me? So she have to soak them. I'm like that. You see me I deal with you. You think you can left me, girl? Any day me hear you have it in your mind, man. Fuck your mind up. Big man thing. Big man. Get the one of things. And your pump and you make you feel good. That's what me careless them. Shame one. Me a big up everybody right now when me see her coming. Me a wish everybody Merry Christmas. Siva, Merry Christmas. Jack the one.
That's Silver.
Yeah, dog. Be a corner up on my foot there. Up on the top of my foot corn there. Yeah. Big corn field, me tell you say you can't get popcorn out of my foot them, bro, God.
Don't listen to her.
Mommy! Hi! Hi, Mom! Merry Christmas! This is Camila, Mommy. Vivi! What's good, girl? Judith! No stop! Keisha, what one goes? Shantia, I'm there. Because that here nice as fuck.
It is.
Girl, you know, so I feel like I get time in here.
Oh, pass me the goddamn lighter.
If you time it 2 times here, so I'm gonna get 3 or 3. Or 4. Fuck it, let's staple me down. Well me down, bro. No, a good eggnog me drink it, now make my poop. 13 days away, them side chick and them must blood clot ball.
Good morning, Mom.
Me not sell to the KFC offer. KFC offer is like shit.
You gotta go to the right one where it be fresh.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm sure it don't taste like Jamaica KFC.
What my wife done for me for Christmas?
I don't think that's
Why? We can't tell you that, you know, because my birthday and Christmas there so close. She hide all of my present them from me.
No, it say, so are you doing for your wife? Of course you are. Why are you responding
You're
to that?
talking what she have done for you. She said,
They saying, have you done anything for me? You talking about what I did for you. Of course you did. That's why I said, don't comment, don't say nothing.
I don't
to
understand what the fuck that person was trying to even say, man. I don't know.
That. Alright.
The moral of the shit is we both do for us. You feel me? She do for me, I do for her. Trust
Okay,
and
this
believe
ain't
that
turning
shit.
into that segment. Hush. You read next. Keep going.
Okay. Watch and see which part go there. You're not happy but some of your blood clot. Go ahead. Not happy go there. Merry Christmas, Tricia.
I sent her a fucking request in the game.
Hey! I'm glad me live. Right now, wanna please go on. Me I gonna send you some requests on one game on name Tug Life. On the answer it, please, so me can get the 33 spin. I want to finish the level then, me I beg you, please. Love you guys. And me I come back live later. Topic later with me and my wife. I want to stay tuned, I want to tune in. Love ya.